In this video, I will guide you how you can make a great looking documentation on your WordPress website. So start by clicking on plugins and click on add new plugin. Now you need to simply search for a plugin called Docs. Once you search for this, you just need to go for this first one and click on install now. This is a free plugin which you can simply click on activate now, and it also comes up with a free plan, so you don't need to worry about. After installing, you just need to click on create a new doc, and then you need to enter the title for your document, and then click on the publish, or you can click on create and draft. For now I will simply go with the draft option and click on the draft. Now you need to click on add button, and we have two options. Either we can add article or we can add a particular section. For now, let's click on add article, and let's name our article something like this and type a section name. So I will name it something like the subname or anything like that, and click on the publish. Again, you have two options, but for now again I will go with the draft. After that, our new article is added and with the same section, so click on new article. And now if I click on this will take me to this editor where I can now simply click on the type, and now I can requirements and click on the publish button. Now let's click on view documentation. So I have not added it, that's why it is showing me this error. Or you can simply go back and search for it, and this is how it will gonna look like. So from the home I will simply go for the docs, and there you have it. So you can customize furthermore, but for now this is right for me. So that's the way of how you can great looking documentations for your WordPress website.